Alright, here we are on our website. We're going to walk you through step number 4, which is to go ahead and get the files, the custom question files, into our resource folder in Brainhoney. Now, the reason we need to do this is because when JAX kicks out its code for Brainhoney, those questions are actually going to be calling on some files, and they're the custom question files that tell Brainhoney how to run those the key questions and those kinds of things. So this file allows our quiz or assessment, our keys, to actually run. So the first thing we need to do is download it, and as I showed in the previous video, if you click the file, sometimes your browser will actually just open it. So what you need to do is actually right click and save link as. I'm just going to click the desktop. One crucial part here though is make sure that this partial points.xml, sorry, I should say this matches this, so that your partial points.xml, that the file still says that exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and that should download pretty quick. It's a small file. Now we need to go ahead and get it into our course plan. You can see that it did show up right there on my desktop. And the first step we need to do is to make a new folder. And what we'll do, we'll use this folder as the place where we're going to put all custom questions in the future. Yes, right now there's only one, but in the future we plan on getting lots, I don't know about lots more, but definitely new ones. And so one of them including the upload widget for box.net, which is part of the whole system. So we haven't made JAX actually kick that out yet, and so that will be coming in the near future. But the first thing we need to do is make this folder. That way all of the files are in the same place, and it's crucial because the way JAX kicks out its code, it tells Brainhoney to look in this specific place, and so we need to make that place. So if you click add and then click add folder right here, make sure that this course files is selected. You're on the very top one, and you click add folder, and then it's going to ask you for the name. As over here it says you need to call it custom questions. If you double click it, it will select that, and then you just hit right click and copy, then come over here and right click and paste. Click OK, and that will make a new folder right here called custom questions. Now since we're right here, all you have to do is click choose file and desktop, which we already are, and click partial points and .xml and click open, and it'll say it right there, and then you click upload. Uploading, and then you click OK that it's done and hit close. Now if you come over here to your course information, the partial points.xml will be in the custom questions, and you just click this little arrow right here and it will show you that's right there. Now you do need to do this for every single course that you teach, that you plan on using JAX with. This file needs to be there in every single one. So there is a better way to distribute it, where I could just put this file on the internet and then we could have everybody call that file off the internet. But the problem with that is that Brainhoney looks for that file on every single question. And so if you have a 30 problem homework assignment, which is not uncommon in the math department, then it will actually have to talk to the Brainhoney server will have to talk to the server that file is on 30 different times, and so that takes a long time to load. Now if it's in your course resources, then it doesn't have to look very far, and it pops up pretty quick. So make sure that you add this to every single course that you plan on using JAX with. And doing that, I hope that will get you all the way through step number 4.